Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Diane and I'm so happy you could be here with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because I would like that very, very, very much. So today we are going to be doing a Gerard Cosmetics Mystery Box. Yay! No drama for this mystery box. I ordered it. I knew the price, the shipping, and it came. It was lovely. No drama. No drama. Actually, speaking of drama and all that other stuff that happened with the last mystery box I ordered something extremely special today. There was a hint in there. Just pay attention. For our 1,000 subscriber giveaway and our 1,000 subscriber live that we're going to do, I just need to wait for this very special thing that I ordered on the 29th of March. 29th of March. Hint, hint, hint. Think about what it is. I don't know. I do not know. There's going to be several things, but there's one special thing. You know? Yeah, I won't give you the exact answer, but it's out there. Look it up. So we will be having a live. We think we're going to do a fun, active. You guys are going to interact with us. We're going to play a game together. You guys with us. And we're going to celebrate, and we're going to tell you what the giveaway is. And it's going to be a fabulous fun time. And we're going to do it live. So that's pretty cool. The April giveaway is still going to happen. So that one will be, I think the Jeffree Star one ends on the 3rd, right? Something like that. Look it up. I don't know. Look it up. I don't know, because that was so rude. You know what I mean. It's sometime. I cannot remember. Somewhere. Once that, I'll do the same thing. I'll have like a video where I announce the winner, and then that same night I will announce the April giveaway, which has nothing to do with the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. They're separate. And we're going to start including Instagram. If you know, just so you know, you're going to need to be subscribed to our Instagram and our YouTube in order to win. So there's that. So now that I've got all that wonderful stuff out of the way and you're all like, okay, we know the information, we're going to check and see what happened on March 29th in the beauty world. Unless you already know. But don't be expecting some 50 things. It was one thing. One thing. Diane's not that rich. Diane's not rich at all. So I got the Gerard Cosmetics Mystery Box. I cut it open, but I didn't look inside. Why? Because I want to be surprised. So there's that. And I was... Rich Lux, stop. Just stop. I got it from Ham. Seems like everything I've been doing lately is because of Jeffree Star or Rich Lux, because I'm not addicted to the YouTube at all. He got one of these and I thought it was cool, and I got one for myself. Gerard's Cosmetics GC Love Boxes. Aww. I got the platinum one, which was $69, and it has a $195 value. There was a gold, which was $39, $110 value. And then the diamond, the big baby, I didn't get that one because I'm too poor. That one is $149 with a $425 value. That kind of sounds like good, though. Oh, well. Anyway, first thing that is on top, because I can see it, I'll pull it out, is this a t-shirt? Because I didn't watch the Rich Lux ones, because once I decided to order it, I kind of didn't want to see what he got, because that doesn't, I don't know. I've never had Gerard Cosmetics, and so I don't know anything at all about them. So I thought it'd be really super duper cool. So then what do I do? Like, you know what I did, right? I went on their website and looked up everything so that I get to see what I actually got to get. I know one thing I want is some Slay and Shade space stuff. I want that. Hopefully I get that. But I don't know if there's palettes in here. I have that. It's not a t-shirt. Was this on the website? I'm looking at the box. Sorry. If you look, there's stuff on there. I mean, I didn't watch, and I watched another girl. She was doing it, and I stopped watching because I didn't want to see what she got, because I wanted to see what I got myself. So then I went online and looked up everything anyway. This is actually pretty good, guys. It's got a nice lining. It's canvas. It's good. I like it a lot. So now let's open up this. There's some paper here. What the hell is this? Am I not supposed to get makeup? I don't know. Did anybody else get this? I wanted makeup though. Bright Express Teeth Whitening System. Oh, that's right. I read Gerard Cosmetics. She started with teeth whitening, didn't she? Maybe this is her original crap. I don't know. That sounds bad. I wanted makeup. That's okay. Ooh, it stinks. I got the little guardy things. I got some little light things. I got some liquidy stuff. And watch this just be enough to do like a little bit, and then I got to order it, right? Whereas a lipstick, I can use it till it's gone. Okay, guys, not gonna lie, slightly disappointed. Not really disappointed, but I wanted makeup. Did anybody else get this? I don't know. That seems weird to me. Okay, I'm not mad, horrendously mad, but I'm not happy. But maybe I'll love everything else. But I don't see a palette. Because trust me, I can see everything in here now. Anyway. You are an important part of the GS Squad. Ooh. You inspire us to keep innovating and creating. We hope you enjoy this special delivery from Gerard Cosmetics. Keep in touch with us on social media by sharing your makeup look and tagging us. How am I going to do a makeup look with teeth whitening? Cute card. I'm happy. That's okay. We'll go with this skinny thing. What is it? I gotta put on my glasses. I can't see a thing. You guys are gonna think I'm being selfish because I'm disappointed. Because I have a feeling this is like there's always a big thing in there, and this is my big thing, and I didn't want that, so that's okay. Oh, I didn't get the Slay and Shade things either. Oh, man. That's okay. This is still a lot of makeup for my $69. I'm happy. I'm happy. I am. There's that. I assume it's a windy. I assumed wrong, or did I assume right? I don't know what this is. I don't wear lip liners, so I won't be, unfortunately for you guys, I will not be swatching them. I'll be giving all of these away. Any lip liners I get, I don't wear them. So for me to swatch it is just throwing it away. Rather than giving it to the people that I love, which is you guys. I got another long skinny one. I think I got three long skinny ones. Are they all pencils? Oh, I didn't even tell you what color that was. Ecstasy. Ecstasy, ecstasy, I don't know. Some word like that. This one is called Luna. Oh, I like that name. There's that. It's a lip pencil. See, that's a cute color, but I know I will never wear it. Like, I know I won't because I don't. I don't know why. You would think, like, with my little beady lips that I would, but I don't seem to. Nope. So, we got two. Hopefully you guys like Gerard Cosmetics because I hear that they're fabulous, actually. And I was really excited when I seen Rich Lux get one, and then I'm like, I gotta have one. So then I left, and then this other girl, oh, I want to say Sparkly Princess, but I don't know if that's right. She got one too. I watched a bit, and then I left hers because I didn't want to see everything. Okay. Now I'm going to go back and watch it because it's rude if I don't. Immortal. Now this is red. I like that color a lot, but I still won't wear it. So, you guys are wondering, you guys probably want, should I swap? I don't want to waste it though, because I will never wear it. Never, never. And Madison doesn't wear lip liner either. At least I don't think she does. I won't waste it. I got a little triangle. It's super cute. The packaging is very nice. I have to admit, the packaging is lovely. I'm going to get over the teeth whitening thing. It's not that I don't want teeth whitening. It's just, ooh, what's this? Oh, it's an eyeliner pencil in black. I don't think we really need to open that either. I'm so sad. Not saying that I won't use the eyeliner, just a black eyeliner. What's this thing? Ooh, Metal Matte Liquid Lip. Let's hope this is a color I like. Grape Crush. See, here's the thing. I'm not going to complain about most of this because it's a mystery box. This just caught me by surprise because I thought I was getting cosmetics. Oh, no. I have never been a huge fan of purple lipstick, and you cannot get more purple than this one. But that does not mean purple's not beautiful. I do actually like purple color-wise, but lipstick-wise, like I said, I am a dark red, dark berry, as in reddish pink berry, not like kind of what I got on. Okay, this is really nice stuff. I'm getting a lot of stuff. For 60-some dollars, that's good. Supreme Lip Cream in the color Destiny. Destiny. Oh, this is pretty. The packaging is so pretty. It's either glass or really good plastic. Not sure. Let's strap this one because this is pretty. I'll keep this one. This is almost like a lip glossy stuff. Lip cream. I like this though. This is pretty. I'll definitely be keeping that one. Put that over there so I don't get them confused. Hydra Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Coachella. I kind of wouldn't mind going to Coachella. I know that it's not really for my age, but I could work that. Oh, this is not going to happen either. This needs to be shaken. It's separated. It's still separated. Maybe it's meant to be like that. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Oh, yeah, no. Nope. Not being rude. That's nice. I figured if I'm going to get it and if I'm not going to wear it, it's just such a waste to not share it, right? Give it to somebody that can use it, although I'm giving away a lot. Okay, that's okay. That's why I get these things. This one's heavy. Supreme Liquid Cream. Nope. Supreme Supreme Lip Cream. I just have to sing it, and then I can do anything when I sing, right? We already had one of these. This is a pretty color. This is definitely... They're all pretty colors to make that sound like... Yeah, I'll keep this one too. Ironically, very similar to the other one, right? Are they the same? Do they look the same to you? They definitely look the same to me. Or, well, they're not the same. Wild Berry Tart. I'm not a huge lip glossy person, but I happen to know Maddie would. She likes all kinds of things. So, Color Your Smile Lip Gloss. Is that everything? And a bullet in the color Enchanté. That's a good name. I like it a lot. Okay, this is nice. This is like medley. It's stunning. Like, look at that. Oh, it's purple again. It's a mystery box. That's what you get. You pay the money for fun, and I'm having a fabulous time. I could unbox things all day long. All day long. This last one, because it's different, I'm going to do last. Rose Hill. Ugh. Oh my gosh, you guys. Are you guys not in shock right now? I didn't have trouble opening anything. Oh, this is pretty. This is different. Peel off. Peel off. Is this one of those ones that lights up, dudes? I've seen that online. I don't know. Do you guys know what they're called? Is there supposed to be a light? Not, right? This is not a light up one because it doesn't light. And if it does light, then I didn't get the light up one. Okay, that's okay too. I kind of wanted that one too, but that's okay. Okay, these three look really similar. Well, maybe not. I'm obviously going to keep this one because it's pretty. And there's that one. Wow, that's not a lot of anything. I'm not keeping much. You guys are having a good giveaway. I'm going to look this up because I don't know. I seem to remember one that was a light up and it looked just like that on the outside. The packaging. They had a mirror on it, right? Do you guys know? Don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Right? Because this is an American brand, which is really cool. Doesn't say anything about lighting up, so it must not be. I'm disappointed. I wanted to light up one. And I wanted to slay in shade. Maybe a palette. This is awesome. I'm so happy because I feel like I'm being selfish. Okay. This packaging is gorgeous, though. The little mirror on the side, kind of cool, too. I am going to look it up, though, because if that's a lighter up one, I didn't get the lighting up part of it. But I could be wrong, too. So all of this is going to be for a giveaway. Maybe not this, though. And maybe not even this. Because I'm going to use this. I'm going to use it. I need to anyway. My teeth are pretty yellow from drinking Diet Coke and stuff. Yep. Oh, I just touched myself. I'm so pervy. So anyway, so I really like that. It was really worth the money. Did you guys see how much stuff I got? Dang, I'm pretty happy. That was pretty impressive. Don't forget about that giveaway that I was talking about, though. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell. Gerard's Cosmetics, I hear, is a very good company. I've never owned anything of theirs before. I'm super excited. These go on nicely, come off nicely. I may go through those colors again, though, just to see, because who knows, maybe I will want to keep. I don't know. So I guess I'm rambling again because we all know that's what I do. So until next time, bye.